Yes, babe, tell them the good
now
news.
guys, the good news is,
Are you ready? In
Yes.
3, 2, 1, tell them.
you won the Jackie Matubias challenge and your position number 3.
Daddy, now we are going to Mombasa.
Hey!
Story ya Mombasa weka kando mama.
Wacha kwanza tusiongee, ni nzuri.
Uko na wazo mzuri.
Yeah, lakini kwa sasa wacha tusiongele kwanza kwenda Mombasa. Let us just applaud you people. We are happy. We are proud of you people. You made your mom and your dad very happy
And
Thank you.
and proud. You are just on another level, you
Yes,
guys.
you're superstars.
Thank you.
Tunawapenda.
Love you.
You've really done the best. You know, hitting that position was not a joke.
Yes.
Because there were a thousand,
And the competition was tough.
Yeah.
It was tough.
At
But you made it position.
3, you fought hard, and you won the position 3. So we are proud of you people. We are very happy, and we are praying that God will grace you even yonder than this way.
So, here is the thing. Mumeshinda pesa, but not ile yenye mlikuwa mnatarajia like.
But it's okay.
Yes, you did so well. And now guys, I want you guys to tell me, starting with we start with who? Peshi ama Prince ama nani?
Tuanze na pesa from the smallest to the biggest. Ama tuanze na acha nianze.
Aya. Let me ask you, mama. How do you feel? Take the mic. How do you feel?
Let me.
Give it out.
How do you feel?
Nasikia vizuri juu tumewin the third position. I'm very happy, but there is one thing I've always wanted to do with my favorite actor, and that is Jackie Matubia. I want to act with you just one movie, even if it's just like giving you water on a video. That's all I want, even if it's just greeting you like this. Hiyo tu ndo nataka.
Ongea ikutoke. Haya, next. Haya, Peshi, unasikia aje now that umeshinda number 3? Unajisikia aje?
Nasikia vizuri.
Haya, microphone mami.
Nasikia vizuri. Nataka kwenda Mombasa hiyo nayo.
Mombasa uwache nyuma mama.
Haya, next Prince Kaden.
I'm very proud of myself,
Good boy.
and thank you so much guys for supporting us. If you could have not been there, we could